Hello everyone, in this session, we want to talk about Bugsinpy. Bugsinpy is a bugs database for Python programs that enables control testing and debugging studies. Currently, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, based on the 2020 Stack Overflow Developer Survey. Despite the rapid increase in Python popularities, there are not many testing and debugging tools that are designed for Python. Our work is inspired based on a DevExpert. DevExpert is a popular Java bug benchmark that on an individual version contains 357 real bugs from 5 real-world projects. Bugsinpy Architecture is similar to DevExpert. It has 3 main components: a bug database, a database abstraction layer, and a test execution framework. The bug database contains the collected bug metadata with links to the original Git repository. The database abstraction layer allows access to bugs without the knowledge on how the bug data is stored. The test execution frameworks allow execution of tools for testing or debugging on the collected bug data. Bugsinpy comprises of 493 bugs from 17 real-world projects, making it the largest Python bug dataset to date. There are several requirements for bugs in Bugsinpy. The bugs is in source code, reproducible, and isolated. Currently, the test execution framework provides several functions. In test execution function, we can run test cases that are relevant to the bugs, or test cases from the projects, and any subset of the test cases. By default, only the test cases that are relevant to bugs are run. Test info generation can be used to generate a new test input via fuzzing using Python fuzz. Mutation analysis through MutPy is used to run mutation testing for evaluating the quality of the existing tests. Code coverage computation will show the coverage report after running the test cases under instrument. We use CoveragePy for this purpose. That is all from me. Thank you very much.